Austria is a beautiful country. Situated in the heart of Europe, we are blessed with beautiful nature and diversity of landscapes. But we are also backed by innovative businesses and industry and well known for our long tradition in arts and culture. Austria is based on democratic values and principles, as well as on hard work and commitment of our citizens. All these elements open up opportunities for our future, even and especially in times that are uncertain as the current situation. The COVID-19 crisis has affected us all and posed enormous challenges. We are now working together on a comeback for our country. On the road to recovery, it will be essential to have the fundamentals of sustainable development in our mind. The Austrian government remains committed to the implementation of the UN 2030 Agenda and its 17 Sustainable Development Goals. It is therefore a great pleasure for me that we can present to you today Austria's first voluntary national review of the implementation of the SDGs.
The implementation of the SDGs is a high priority for the Austrian federal government. The national goal of sustainable development is even set down in the federal constitutional state goal. All federal ministries have the task of implementing the principles of the 2030 Agenda and the Sustainable Development Goals in their areas of responsibility in a strategically coordinated manner. Our first voluntary national review takes stock of the measures implemented, success stories and initiatives for the implementation of the agenda. Austria has achieved significant successes, and we also aim to motivate all actors to take further measures. The review focuses on three main areas: digitalization, women, youth and leaving no one behind, climate action and adaptation to climate change. With regard to the economic dimension, digitalization is one of the focus areas of the Austrian federal government. The digital transformation, for example, is an essential part of the implementation of the 2030 Agenda. At the initiative of the Austrian Minister of Economic Affairs and Digitalization, Margarete Schrammböck, Austria is taking various measures to achieve a digitalized future, including the expansion of a modern digital infrastructure with broadband and 5G. This should ensure the best possible participation in the opportunities of the digital transformation for prosperity, health and sustainability for all. Austrian smart cities are among the most innovative and livable communities worldwide. In social terms, equality between women and men is a basic prerequisite for the successful implementation of the 2030 Agenda. Youth empowerment to strengthen the participation of young people in decision-making and participation processes in the sense of the SDGs also has clear priority. The Austrian social and healthcare system, under the chairmanship of Federal Minister Rudolf Anschober, contributes significantly to preventing and combating poverty and social exclusion and ensures a high level of healthcare. Especially in difficult times, such as the current COVID-19 crisis, it is important to have an intact healthcare system. The ecological dimension of sustainability is deeply anchored in Austria's current government program. We are committed to climate neutrality as early as 2040 and are among the leaders in the field of renewable energy sources. Federal Minister for Climate, Action, Environment, Energy, Mobility, Innovation and Technology, Leonore Gewessler, is responding to the need for action with a large number of measures. Austria was also a pioneer in the field of climate change adaptation strategy. It was already drawn up in 2012 and contains a comprehensive action plan. The second progress report will be available by the end of 2020. This is only the beginning, and we will follow this path to a better future for all of us.
For the first time, every state and every society on this planet is facing the same challenge, the pandemic due to COVID-19. And if anything, then this pandemic has proven that we are all one on this planet, that we all need each other, that we all depend on each other. We all have to work together to overcome this health crisis. And in the same way, we should work together to ensure sustainable development of this planet. The Agenda 2030 should be our compass in our political decisions in facing the pandemic crisis and its effects.